Free drawing with brushes. How can we draw lines using brushes tool? Use the brushes tool to draw lines that have a different appearance and texture. By using different brushes, you can draw free form and curving lines that have different effects. Steps of free drawing using brushes. On the Home tab, click the down arrow under Brushes. Click the artistic brush that you want to use. Click Size and then click Align Size, which determines the thickness of the brush stroke. In the Colors group, click Color 1, click a color, black for example, and then drag the pointer to paint. To paint using the Color 2 background, color blue, right-click while you drag the pointer.